Hi guys, welcome to Style Trails. I hope everyone's doing great. So it's been so long that we've done an Urbanic haul, but I ordered a bunch of stuff from Savannah this time. So Savannah is a new brand that Urbanic has come up with, and oh my god, the pieces that I've received are so cute and Pinteresty. These are like the perfect summer vacation fits that you need. So yeah, stay tuned for the entire haul. Also, Savannah has a major sale going on, so you can get up to 50% off on your favorite styles, and if you use the coupon code given on your screen, you will get additional discount as well. So don't forget to use the coupon code. And now, without wasting any time, let's just get started with the video. So the first top that I have is the one that I'm wearing right now. It is a very cute, very beautiful pink tube top, and you guys know that I love pink, so matlab this top is just like the perfect soft girl next door vibe to it. It is a very basic pink tube top. It fits really nicely. I'm wearing an extra small. The fabric, the fit, the overall look is just a 10 on 10 for me. Okay, so to go along with the pink tube top that I'm wearing right now, I got this denim skirt as well. Now this has like a very basic design. That is what I love about a denim skirt. It just has to be extremely basic. I got an extra small in this, but it is unfortunately a little bit loose, so I'll have to get it altered. I didn't check the waist measurement for it. I don't know how I missed it, but yeah, it's like a little loose. I can wear it as a low waist, but I'm not that person to wear low waist, so I needed like a high waist skirt. So yeah, I will get it altered. Now that we have the skirt and the top, I also got a matching cap to finish the entire look, and you guys just look at this entire fit. It is so cute. So it is like a corduroy material for the cap. It looks extremely cute and it matches the top as well. So this is the entire fit: the skirt, the top, the cap. So the next one that I have here is this full sleeves cream top. Now this has like a crisscross knot detailing at the front, which just makes it extra cute, and it also has this lettuce hem pattern going on. It's like an open top from the bottom, full sleeves, and love the fit. The fabric is again very similar to the previous top that I showed you guys. Next up, I have this black asymmetrical top. Now this is basically like a tube top with a knot detailing at the front, and the hem is asymmetrical. Again, wearing an extra small, and the fabric is cotton lycra, very similar to the previous two tops that I've shown you guys. I love the silhouette for this one especially. So the next one that I have is a beautiful dress. Now this is like a backless sort of a dress, and oh my god, this just screams like that, you know, like a very fairy aesthetic. I absolutely love this dress. The fit of the dress, the pattern, the frill, everything about this dress is just gorgeous. It is a georgette dress. I'm wearing again a extra small, and it fits perfectly. The next dress that I have is this black backless dress. Now you guys, this is so cute and so elegant. I mean, I can't. This has like a balloon hem to it. I mean, I love the silhouette altogether. So this has like a crisscross back detailing to it, and the fabric of this dress is so rich, so elegant. It's like the perfect cute LBD you need in your wardrobe. It's just perfect. Next up, I have multiple quad sets. So the first one that I have here is again this cream and black quad set. Now this, I just feel like the shirt is extremely oversized. It is supposed to be that way, but I just feel like on me it just looks a lot bigger. But I just love the wavy black detailing that this one has. I'm wearing an extra small. I don't know the exact fabric of this, but because it is like very confusing. It is not cotton, it is not polyester, it is something of something like a completely different mix. But yeah, I mean, it just looks very cute. The next quad set that I have is the most colorful quad set I own till date, and that is this pink floral quad set. Now this is the most easy breezy quad set for that matter. It is bright, it is vibrant. The fabric is cotton, so I love it for the fabric especially. I'm wearing an extra small, and yeah, it's just like a perfect outfit for the days that you don't want to put extra effort in your outfit and still look very vibrant and have that color pop in your outfit. Last but not the least, this again has to be one of my favorites, not because it is pink, but you guys just have a look at this quad set. It is the most dreamiest quad set ever. It just looks so cute. The crop top has like these pleats going on, and the bottom has this knot detailing on the side. Everything about this just screams European summer, and I want to wear it so badly, but I don't have any trips planned as of now. But I just hope that I get to wear it as soon as possible. So this is it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, then you guys know the drill. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to use the coupon code given on your screen for additional discount if you order anything from Savannah. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video super soon. All the product links are mentioned in the description box below, so do check that out, and I will see you super soon.